I'll tell you about my wonderful journey. My background is that I worked for the Australian Taxation Office for over 14 years. I did my accountancy degree there, and I got to a stage where I then wanted to, I got seconded out to an accounting practice. And this worked my way through. I became a young partner at the age of, junior partner at the age of probably 29, and then moved up to different businesses and being managing partner and had different partners. But it got to a stage where I just wanted to have my own accounting practice and run my own commercial way, and that's what I did. And I wanted to have, the most nervous thing is trying to put your shingle out, and it's your name, and you're waiting for everyone to come. And thankfully that occurred, and I had, it was about doing all of the machinations that anyone else in business, and I wanted to do that from scratch as well, so that I could take everyone else on a journey of what it meant and what you had to do and learning of different things. So that's put me in good stead, because clients can see I've walked the walk and talked the talk, and it's relatable to them. So I think that's what occurred. Well, I think I had an accountant, a EA that came over with me, and I just, I was fortunate enough to have a couple of clients anyway, and I had to have some initial capital to make sure that could put me in good stead for a period of time, which it did. But as soon as I opened the doors, I was very fortunate that I had some very big clients that came over, and away I went. And the way I structured it too was very important, and made sure that would last even today. And so I took a lot of thought, because the advice that I gave clients, I was able to apply in my own very own. And also paying the wages, all of the rudiments of business and HR issues, understanding all the technicalities and machinations of running a business came into force. So really, I did all of that from grassroots, and even so by doing my own accounts at that time, so that I understood every aspect of everything that worked within the business. So I just went from even understanding what the EA did, what any of the junior accountants did, to then making sure I knew every role. So for me, I made it my mission to understand every aspect of my business, and that put me in good stead in the future. And I was able to then surround myself with some very good quality professionals in terms of top lawyers. I've got a 15-year relationship with Minters, Hall & Wilcox, Piper Alderman, all of these top law firms, and different people that do wills. And so I also diversified my business. And I did say earlier, I diversified my business, the traditional accounting, blockchain and merger and acquisitions, but we do valuations for the family law courts, we do state issues. So I made sure the business had a point of difference. And that's what was very, very important. What was I different to any other city-based accountant? And then what did I relate to around Australia and internationally as well? So I started to make sure we had that point of difference.